What to eat for a healthier pancreas? Reasons. 1. Pancreatic function. The pancreas is responsible for producing enzymes that aid in digestion and hormones like insulin that regulate blood sugar levels. A healthy diet supports these critical functions, ensuring efficient digestion and stable blood sugar levels. 2. Prevention of pancreatic diseases. Diet plays a significant role in preventing conditions such as pancreatitis, type 2 diabetes, and even pancreatic cancer. Consuming foods that reduce inflammation and promote overall digestive health can help protect the pancreas from damage. 3. Weight management. Obesity is a major risk factor for pancreatic disorders. Eating a balanced diet helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing stress on the pancreas. Treatment. 1. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, help reduce inflammation in the pancreas. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon can also have anti-inflammatory effects. 2. Eat fiber-rich foods. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are high in fiber, which aids in digestion and supports pancreatic health. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the pancreas's workload. 3. Focus on lean proteins. Opt for lean proteins like chicken, turkey, tofu, and legumes, which are easier on the pancreas compared to fatty meats. These proteins help repair pancreatic tissue without adding excessive fat. 4. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for pancreatic function, as water helps with the secretion of digestive enzymes. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and include hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon in your diet. 5. Include probiotic foods. Yogurt, kefir, and other fermented foods contain probiotics that promote gut health, indirectly supporting pancreatic function. Precautions. 1. Limit high-fat and fried foods. High-fat and fried foods can trigger pancreatitis by overloading the pancreas with fats that are difficult to digest. Choose healthy fats like olive oil and avocado in moderation instead. 2. Avoid excessive sugar and refined carbohydrates. Foods high in sugar and refined carbs can cause spikes in blood sugar, forcing the pancreas to produce more insulin. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables instead. 3. Moderate alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake is a leading cause of pancreatitis and can severely damage the pancreas. If you consume alcohol, do so in moderation and avoid binge drinking. 4. Regular monitoring and medical guidance. If you have a history of pancreatic issues or are at risk, regular checkups with a healthcare provider are essential. Follow any dietary recommendations provided by your doctor to manage or prevent pancreatic conditions. Best foods to keep your pancreas healthy for longer. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Benefits rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help reduce inflammation and protect pancreatic cells from oxidative stress. How to use add to salads, smoothies, or sauté as a side dish. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Benefits high in fiber and antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and support digestive health, reducing strain on the pancreas. How to use eat fresh, add to yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Benefits. Contain compounds like sulforaphane that have anti-cancer properties and promote detoxification, supporting pancreatic health. How to use steam, roast, or stir-fry as part of meals. Sweet potatoes. Benefits rich in beta-carotene and fiber, sweet potatoes help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a slow, steady release of energy, reducing the pancreas's workload. How to use bake, mash, or roast as a side dish or snack. Turmeric. Benefits contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce inflammation in the pancreas and lower the risk of pancreatic disorders. How to use add to curries, soups, or teas. Garlic. Benefits known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, garlic can help reduce inflammation and support immune function, benefiting the pancreas. How to use fresh in cooking or as a seasoning for various dishes. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds. Benefits. High in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, These foods help support digestion and reduce inflammation, aiding pancreatic health. How to use: eat as snacks or add to salads, oatmeal, or smoothies. Yogurt and probiotic foods. Kefir, Sauerkraut, kimchi. Benefits: contain probiotics that promote a healthy gut microbiome, indirectly supporting the pancreas by improving digestion and nutrient absorption. How to use: incorporate into breakfast, snacks, or as a side dish. Whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley. Benefits: high in fiber. Whole grains help regulate blood sugar levels and support digestive health, reducing the pancreas's workload. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy pancreas is crucial for overall well-being, as it plays a vital role in digestion and blood sugar regulation. By choosing a diet,
the information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.